In today's video, we're diving into how to create and install the TikTok pixel on your website. This is a crucial step to track conversions, optimize your TikTok ads, and measure the success of your campaign. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer, stay tuned for a step by step guide that will help you set everything up quickly and easily. First things first, if you don't have a TikTok ads account yet, you need to create one. Head over to the TikTok's ad manager website ads.tiktok.com. Now click on create an account or get started. Now follow the prompts to sign up or log in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the TikTok ads dashboard where you'll be able to manage your campaigns, audiences, and analytics. Now that you're in Ads Manager, it's time to access the Events Manager. This is where all the magic happens with your TikTok pixel. On the left hand sidebar, find and click on Events under the Assets section. This is where you'll manage all your pixels and tracking setups. In the Events Manager, you'll see an option that says Manage Pixels. Click on it. Next, click on the Create Pixel button to start the process. You'll be asked to name your pixel. Choose a name that makes sense, like My Website Pixel or something specific to your campaign. Now you'll need to select how you want to install the pixel, manually or via a partner integration. If you're comfortable with coding or using a website builder that doesn't have direct integrations, you can choose the manual installation. But if you're using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or WordPress, you can select the partner integration for an easier setup. Now, once you've installed the pixel on your website, it's time to verify that it's working correctly. Go back to your TikTok Ads Manager and click Test Pixel. This allows you to see if the pixel is firing correctly on your site. And that's it. You've now created, installed, and set up your TikTok pixel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.